Hey guys, it's Nick, and today I'm going to show you how to use Vanta.js to easily add animated 3D backgrounds to your website. Vanta allows for very easy adding and customizing of animated, colorful 3D canvas backgrounds with very few steps and small amounts of code. Head over to vantajs.com to get started, and you can pick any of the effects you want here. I'll start with the birds, and then we can start customizing. You have background color. I'll go for a dark gray. Background alpha if you want the opacity. Different colors, do green and a blue. And I'll put it on lerp gradient. You can have quantity, bird size, all these other things. Also, if you want to change them later on, you can change them in your code using this object down here. Once you're done customizing, we're going to set up a basic HTML page that we can put this background on. Right now, I just have an empty project open in Visual Studio Code. So I'm going to make an index.html file, as well as an index.css file. I'm going to add the boilerplate code for the HTML. And I'm going to link my style sheet in the HTML. Once we have the boilerplate HTML, we can begin adding our Vanta scripts in. I'm going to create a div which will become the background. We'll give it an ID of Vanta birds. And then for the scripts that we need 3.r95.min.js and Vanta birds min.js. So there's CDN links which will be in the description. You can just copy each of these and add them at the bottom. You do need the 3.r95 script before, so I'll do script.source, and then we'll add the bird script. And finally, we can come and copy our object here, and we will put this underneath. Okay, so we should have everything set up now. We'll put an h1 in, send it hello. Now we're going to go into our index.css and we're going to target the Vanta birds ID. So I'm going to come over and we're going to give it some styles so that it becomes a full screen background. So position absolute, display block, min width 100%, min height. We're going to set it to 100 vertical height. We're going to make the top, right, etc. all 0. And we're going to set the z index to -1 so it doesn't interfere with anything on top of it. Okay, now we're going to open this in a live server. And we need to change this to be the div ID that we set up, which is Vanta birds. Once we do that, we have it all set up and working. If we want to change anything on top, the z index is -1, so it won't affect any of the Vanta script. Now your background is all set up and you're good to go. If you want to add any other different styles, you can simply come back to the website, click one of the ones you wanted. Be sure to copy this and replace your current object with this new object, as well as replace the script that you have here with the new script for the correct background. Vanta is a great way to add a fun and customizable background animation to your website. And with all the different effects and colors available, there's bound to be something that will work for your website. Thanks for watching.